Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a full face using K-beauty products. I think I'm starting a series now. I have no idea, but I am just loving a full face of everything and a full face of makeup revolution also coming up super soon. So I think this is what you guys also want me to do, a full face of every brand, so that you have the idea what product I love. You have a overall review about a brand and their products. So yeah, today's video is going to be a full face using K-beauty product. I have all products from K-beauty do a full face. I will not say I have every single product from K-beauty. I don't really have few products. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Personally think I love and adore this brand so much, and I think you guys also do it. When this brand actually launched, I was super confused. I was like, okay, this is another celebrities makeup brand, but when I tried their product, I remember I tried their foundation first, which once I used it, I was in love. Their foundation is just so good, and then I started exploring more products from this brand, and oh my god, I am a fan, I'm gonna tell you. So the first product I'm using is this one. This is K-beauty's hydrating color correcting primer. Now they have a lavender one, green one, like different color correcting primer for different skin problems. I have the peach one with me to just help me color correct my discoloration and acne marks that I have. If you have redness on your face, definitely try out their green color corrector. And if you have more yellowness on your face, definitely try out the lavender one. So yeah, I'm using the peach one over here. This is what it looks like. And this particular primer is what should I call this? This is more like a moisturizing primer. Like, this is going to hydrate your skin so well. You can just feel it. Whenever you will use it, you will feel that it is hydrating your skin, and your skin will feel very plumped up just because it contains hydrating ingredients like mango butter. I don't have too much primers in my collection because for primer is something for me which is very specific. I don't really love using different types of primer for different types of foundation. I have few primers, maybe Inside Cosmetics, LA Girls, Wet n Wild, and stuff like that. But this primer, I use this all the time. This is a really good primer, and this is what my skin looks. It obviously blurred out my skin and blurred out my texture, but if you want something to fill up your pores, this is not going to do much, because I personally feel this is not a pore filling primer. But if you want to blur out your texture and stuff like that, this is a really good primer for that. Now I have my favorite product from K-beauty is their hydrating foundation. If you ask me that name one single favorite product from K-beauty, it will be their hydrating foundation. I love this product so much. I have this in the shade 145N. This matches my skin as well. I will say this is a foundation which is my personal favorite just because of the fact that it is so natural looking. This is not a natural foundation. This is not going to give you natural like a BB cream kind of a finish. This is of course a foundation, but still it looks natural. It looks beautiful. It does not make my skin look very cakey or something like that. This particular product contains a medium coverage, so of course this is buildable and you can build it up. Again, one thing I really love, I do not love a high coverage foundation, so this is something I use all the time. I love this product so much. I'm using this brush from Miss Clear. This is M1 from Miss Clear, and this is their multitasking brush, I guess. I'm gonna take the foundation and use it on my face. And even you can use it as your light coverage foundation as well. You can just take 1 or 2 drop and use it as your a regular natural looking foundation. Big fan of this foundation. I have high-end foundations as well, but this foundation is something else. Look at the finish of this foundation. It makes my skin so glowy and healthy. Now I am using their concealer. I used it. This is in the shade 160N. This is their newly launched product. And again, I love this product. It is a beautiful concealer. Again, not a very full coverage concealer, but something you can use it for your everyday. How it blends under my eyes, it just blends so well and gives me the perfect kind of coverage that my under eyes need. So I have my concealer and foundation on my face. This is what my face looks. You can see how glowy and beautiful my base makeup looks like. Now I'm going to use a new product which I recently purchased. Not going to lie, this is from K Beauty. This is their compact powder. This is what I recently purchased. I haven't even used it once. So this is what it looks like. I think this is in the shade medium, 140p medium. This is what it looks like. Take my powder brush. This is from Mars. I'm gonna take the compact powder. I don't have anything to say about this because I'm using this for the first time now. Let's see how it works. Okay, this is dark for my skin. Instantly I can see the shade is dark for my skin. I can use this maybe on top of a very light foundation to just like settle it down. Okay, the shade is like throwing me off. See how it looks on my face. I think it looks good. It is definitely mattifying. It is just taking away my glow. Really beautiful, not like heavy or something like that. Feels good on my skin. Just the shade is dark for my skin. I have to use this powder again, maybe with any light color foundation. The shade is like throwing me off somewhere, so I don't have any thoughts right now, but so far I can feel that it is not emphasizing my texture. It is giving me a very flawless, smooth finish to my skin. And yeah, this looks very good. Especially this area over here, it is not enhancing my texture. I have a matte eyeshadow stick from K Beauty which I always use for my cream contour because I love cream contouring more than bronzers, like powder contour or bronzers. This is what the matte eyeshadow looks like. I just love how matte and how easily you can blend this, and you can use this as your eyeshadow as well. So this is a 2-in-1 product, and this is a thing that I love about their makeup. You can use them in so many different ways. You can use their lipsticks as eyeshadows, and like they are not so out there, you know. You can use them in so many different ways, and they are like super easy to use, very beginner friendly as well. I'm gonna blend my nose contouring a little bit. It's not harsh, it's a very soft contour kind of a shade. Now for my eyeshadow, I am gonna use this eyeshadow pencil. This is in the shade Amethyst, and this is a beautiful purple shade. I am going to use this all over my eyelid just to have that smoky, deep purplish kind of a look. I love their eyeshadow sticks. Look at this color. Isn't this so pretty? Like, who needs eyeshadow palette? I'm gonna take any eyeshadow brush that I have, maybe a little bit denser one, and I am going to blend this out. Wow, this is so pretty. This is what the eyeshadow looks like. Isn't this so sexy, so beautiful, so bold? I am truly in love. Now I'm going to take my K Beauty Eye Kajal. This is a very long lasting kajal. If you're looking for a good long lasting black kajal, take this one. You will not regret. This is, I will not say a very dark black kajal. I have used like more dark black kajal than this, but this particular pencil is so long lasting, and it just lasts you for hours and hours, which I love. A pencil brush and blend this out. So I don't have any mascara, so I used my go-to Essence Lash Princess mascara, but this is what my eyeshadow looks like. Comment down below that if this is not sexy, if this is not bold, I don't know what it is. It is such a beautiful, easy eyeshadow look, such a beautiful, easy eyeshadow tutorial. Just one particular eyeshadow pencil, some kajal and mascara. This looks insane, so easy to work with, especially, and this is very, very long lasting. Like the eyeshadow sticks, they are very, very long lasting, and I am going to purchase more eyeshadow sticks from K Beauty. They are beautiful. If you're looking for some one and done eyeshadows, go for eyeshadow sticks from K Beauty. I don't know about the eyeshadow palette, I don't have it. Maybe someday I will purchase it, but their eyeshadow sticks are just beautiful. And thank you K Beauty for coming up with such great quality eyeshadow sticks, because in India I think eyeshadow sticks are very, very expensive and we don't have that much option as such. But K Beauty gave us this much option and this much color range. So beautiful, long lasting, high quality eyeshadow sticks. And if they are on discount, just go and grab it. Don't waste your time, go and grab their eyeshadow sticks. You will fall in love with them. The next product that I have is their highlighter. This is what it looks like, and I use this all the single time. You can see it's like completely damaged. I love this particular highlighter so much, which are like intense, but you can build them up. Again, their product are so natural and beginner friendly. You can just, and this particular product, I will not say this does not contain any shimmer. It does contain shimmer, but it's not chunky, you know. It is not going to emphasize your texture. It is not going to make it look weird. I'm taking a brush like this, which I always use, and highlighting my face. Like, look at that. This is very, very intense. I love this highlighter, but not more than the Wet n Wild one that I talked about. That is like beautiful. It's very buttery. This is also good, but it does contain shimmer particles, which I think if you don't love shimmer particle highlighter, you're not gonna love this one. And now, as you guys can see, I don't have their blush with me. It was getting a little bit expensive when I was shopping for K Beauty, so I just thought of skipping the blush, lip liner, and their lip crayon. You guys know how much I love their lip liner, and their lip liner, I don't think they have any name over here. I think this is in the shade Fashion. I'll link it down in the description box below. I forgot the name and they don't have any name written. So yeah, I am gonna use both of them together. It's like kind of a peachish nude color, which looks stunning. I'm just obsessed with this particular lip crayon. So first I am gonna line my lips with their lip liner. Their lip liners are very smooth, very pigmented, and though they are like a wooden lip liner, still they are not gonna hurt your lips. And you can use this particular color as your lipstick, and they're very, very long lasting. So I love, love, love how they feel. Like, I have used wooden lip liners, but sometimes they just make my lips look so dry and it looks bad, you know, the lines and crustiness on my lips. But this is not a lip liner like that. I love it so much. This particular lip crayon is so beautiful, and this is going to suit so many different skin tone people. I think it's a beautiful nude color, and I think they should come up with gloss. I don't know if they have lip gloss, but they have lip toppers, like metallic lip toppers. They should come up with lip glosses, and this is what the lip combo looks like. Yeah, guys, this is the finished look. This is my full face using K Beauty makeup products. What do you guys think? I personally think I am so in love with how it looks, how it turned out. This is my kind of makeup look. To make up for any occasion or any purpose, this is my kind of a look. And all their products are just so unique, so beautiful, and I truly, truly love them. There are few products which I have a mixed feeling about, but most of their products I am a big fan of, and I think you should definitely try it out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.